Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
You know, this thing really hurts me. It really hurts me to watch people being dragged across on a rope. Look at this person slip off in the water. My God. Really? National Works Agency. Daryl Vaz. I want to see the plight of the people them. My God Almighty, I'm telling you, this work that I do is so difficult. You carry the burden of so many persons. Now, how can I sleep tonight knowing that there are people out there that is stranded, can't reach home? This thing hurt me to the core. My heart is heavy. Andrew Holness, because clearly Darva is not listening. Andrew Holness, come to the rescue of the residents of Craig Mill, Whitehall and Belvedere. They need your help. Look at this. Look at this now. Look at this little girl. If she slipped, she gone in the river below. How much more can they take? Look at this elderly man. This is him way home. What else can I say? I don't know, I'm going to lay down in the road myself out above B and Blackie Road. My God, come tomorrow morning. The people need answers. This is not supposed to last another day. This is a national emergency and a national disgrace. It's 3 communities, you know. It's 3 communities this is affecting. And don't forget the farmers that is involved. My God.
So, yeah, you were asking about the social housing program. So the social housing program is designed to assist Jamaicans who are in the most difficult housing situations, meaning that their housing condition is such that it is considered to be unsafe, unhealthy, in a state of dilapidation, and their economic condition is such that they are not able to improve, upgrade, repair, or rehabilitate their housing. They are not working, they are probably retired, they're senior citizen, or they're indigent. We also require that the beneficiary has access, owns, or has permission to use the land on which the granted benefit will be built. So, how do you actually get on the program? The first point is through your member of parliament. It's an MP-driven program. All right. So they will take your information. They are allotted 5 housing solutions each year for each constituency, and they then pass these applications on to the new social housing program, which is a unit in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation under housing. And that unit has an oversight committee which takes all the applications, they vet them, and they do very thorough, very rigorous social investigation. So they actually come to your house or where you reside. They do a social survey. They talk to people in your community. They verify your employment status, your income status, your ability to work. They do a thorough check. And then after that process, they then verify that you actually either own the land or have access to the land or permission. And that would include bringing all the documentation and taxes up to date. And then from that process, it goes back to the selection committee to determine whether or not you actually pass the criteria. So, without further ado, let us sign the social contract. The social contract, Inez, essentially says that you are going to live here. You can't rent out this place to anybody else. So you and your granddaughter and your husband will be occupying this unit. And you commit to maintain the unit in the state of repair that you received it. And then thirdly, if you plan to expand the unit, I don't know where you would go other than up. But if you expand the unit, if you plan to expand the unit, we'll consult first of all with the Ministry of Housing through the new social housing program, because as you can imagine, quite a bit of engineering was done to be able to construct on this site. So if you're going to build anything else, let us know so we can advise you how best to do it. And then anything you're going to do here must be legal, right? In the 80s, they used to have a horse called Legal Light. So if you're going to do anything here, make sure the light is legal and the water is legal, right? Good. And the 5th thing, which is most important, that you will continue to be an upstanding citizen and have a good community. If you agree to those things, then you can sign right here. Make your mark. All right? Make your mark.
All out! Whoa! Yo, yo, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out from Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody